My name is Vishnu. I will initiate automation in our project, and my teammates, so my colleagues, so
నేను ఆపరేట్ మేడం
here makeup of the so user scientific knowledge to automate complete operation. This process the light will automatically on and off by itself. Sensors, LDR, IR, VR, detect light measurement. So LDR is light element which detect the sunlight and turn on when there is light. VR which detect the movement of the object or vehicle. So microcontroller ESP which is the main component in our topic. Then light turn on only at night. So when the movement detection, the light will turn on and reduces more power. Reduces energy waste and means the light will reduce consumes less power. Highly reliable. Support smart city innovations like the project which is useful for the smart city. Enables efficient, reliable, sustainable for urban living. Means which light will be reliable and efficient, and it is useful for urban infrastructure. Thank you.
So namaste everyone, my name is Chinmaya. I will be explaining the correct slide which is result and interpretation. Coming to the energy consumption, so here we have used a solar panel and the battery as a backup. So solar panel generates the electricity needed for the battery, and the battery is kept as a reserve. So the module works on the basically works on the solar energy, but during the low solar light intensity, we have used the battery as a backup. Then as the LED sensor is integrated into the module, it only acts when the light intensity is low. So there will be no loss of energy. Coming to the system here, LDR sensor which detects the light intensity and works on it. So this is the main sensor which we have used in the module. So this detects the high light intensity and low light intensity and process it to the ESP which works on the data provided. So ESP32 sensor process sensor data and control LED response in real time. Coming to the power management, so here we have used a TP4056 module, which is a module which can transfer the electricity from the battery backup to the required equipments. So the solar energy which is converted into the electricity in the battery, the TP4056 module will be passing the electricity to the entire module. Next, coming to the system architecture. So we have this is the light which we have used, and it is of 3 volts. Then coming to the ESP32, it is the main processor which we have used here. It acts as the brain for the entire module. Then this is a voltage booster which moves the voltage according to the requirement of the LED bulb which we have used here. And it is a TP4056 module which is a charging module. So here we can directly charge the battery to this module, or in case if the solar panel fails, we can directly charge from this module. If the solar panel is working properly, then the electricity generated here will be passed to the battery as a backup. Then the battery passes the electricity here, and here we have used one diagonal two resistors for the electricity management. And the sensor we have inserted here, which is an LDR sensor. It detects the light intensity and work according to the data processed by the ESP32 model. Thank you.
I am Jivan. I will be explaining the performance assessment. First of all, response time. When the sensor detects the change in environment light, the light turns on immediately within 1 second. The ESP32 processes the real-time data, so decreases the delay. Next is reliability. The system is integrated with solar panel and battery backup, so it ensures the continuous lighting even during low sunlight conditions. Next, the sensor provides the consistent reading, so the light turns on under varying conditions. Next is efficiency. Light operates only when needed and it reduces unnecessary power consumption. with the solar light integration with the low power LEDs, we can save the energy and it is more sustainable. Thank you.
Is it having any motion sensor to detect only when someone walks around?
Since our project is focused on models, community sensitive as an engineering and also the capacity and our project is a part of cloud integration in the last year. Improvements which will be made in the model is that solar panels higher temperature from the battery and also optimize our ESP capacity and also add advanced sensors as well. Since we have used NPR sensors, we also detect motion sensor to detect the motion walking through a lane or any road coming from the road and also sensitive vehicles is coming to that road to help you traffic control of that particular road. And when coming to the future scope of our model is that we would be integrating IoT cloud for real-time monitoring of the sensor and the whole prototype. We can also expand the model into system of smart city deployment and also with the help of intelligence we can control the whole district level under a single channel. Coming to the last conclusion of our presentation. Once the outcomes we see of our project is that we have successfully identified a model for design like using ESP control with a main controller which takes the input of all the devices and the output and controls the LED. And also we have used solar panels which would reduce energy wastage and has improved sustainability. And objectives which we have assigned is that the LED gets turned on and off with the smart detection by itself by detecting the light intensity of particular area. And also the light design is cost effective